The National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Craighead County in eastern Arkansas, western Poinsett County in eastern Arkansas, until 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:13 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Tuckerman, or 8 miles northeast of Newport, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Jonesboro, Truman, Harrisburg, Bay, Weiner, Cache, Waldenburg, Greenfield, Herget, Apt, Valley View, Wona Junction, Wona, Gunpoint, Maple Grove, Promised Land, Reno, Cary, Pitts, and Lunsford. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the storm shelter or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 5 a.m. Central Daylight Time for eastern Arkansas. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Arkansas: Craighead and Poinsett,